Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. Find their present ages. So guys, let us see how we can solve the given question. Here the question is, given question is the present age. If you look here, the question has given us like this. The question is saying that the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their age will add to 66 years. Find their present age. So guys, we do not know the age of Sahil. Let us assume certain things. Let Sahil's present age, I can write. Let Sahil's present age is equal to x years. Let Sahil's present age is equal to x years. And question is saying that the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. So what we did, we assumed Sahil's age as x years. Now Sahil's mother's age will then be mother's present age. Mother's present age, I can write present age is equal to 3x. Why 3x? Because question is telling us that Sahil's mother age is 3 times. Question is telling us Sahil's mother age is 3 times the present age of Sahil. 3 times the present age of Sahil. So 3 times means 3 into x. So what we got, or what we considered? We considered the Sahil's present age as x years, and we got mother's present age as 3x years as per the given question. These are the things that the question has given us. Now after 5 years, what is going to happen? After 5 years, what is going to happen? So what is going to be the age after 5 years? So I can write here, I can write here after 5 years what the age are. So I can write here the situation after 5 years. After 5 years, this is what I can write here, what is going to happen after 5 years. Now guys, for example, if a person's age is 10 years, after 5 years, what is his age going to be? That means 10 plus 5, that is equal to 15 years. After 5 years, his age is going to be 15 years. If a person's age is 10 years, present age is 10 years, after 5 years, we will get 15 years. That means just we are adding 5. So similar thing is that we are going to do here now. After 5 years. So after 5 years, Sahil's age is equal to x years we have considered here. We have considered Sahil's age as x years. So we can write after 5 years, Sahil's age is equal to x plus 5 years. Similarly, mother's age is equal to, we can write mother's age is equal to, we have considered here as 3x years. So mother's age will be 3x plus 5. Because after 5 years, just we need to add 5. Because after 5 years, their age are going to be like this. Sahil's age is going to be x plus 5 years, and mother's age is going to be 3x plus 5 years. Now let us look into the question once more. The question is saying that after 5 years, their age will add to 66. Find their present ages. So if we add their ages after 5 years, we will get 66. That is what the question is telling us. So this, from here only we will get one equation. Question is telling that if we add their ages after 5 years, we will get 66. That means Sahil's age plus, Sahil's age plus mother's age is equal to 66. When? After 5 years. After 5 years, we will get 66. So what we know? We know Sahil's age plus mother's age is equal to 66 after 5 years. So I can now replace the figures that we write, or that we got. What have we got? Sahil's age after 5 years, we got x plus 5. So I can write x plus 5 plus mother's age 3x plus 5. That is equal to 66. or I can write, or just we need to solve this equation. The equation that we got now, we can solve this one. Let us open the brackets, or I can write x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 66. Or I can write, let us get this x and this x together. So let us move these x together towards each other, like x plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 66. What I did here in this step, just I moved the x together. So, or I brought the x together so that it would be easy for us to add the things without getting confused. So what we got here? We got x plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 66. Or I can write x plus 3x is nothing but 4x plus 5 is 10 is equal to 66. Or I can write 4x is equal to 66 minus 10. Just moving this 10 to the right side of this equation. That means transposing. What I'm doing here? I'm transposing or transporting, I can say. Transposing 10 to right hand side. If we move any number from left hand side to the right hand side, its sign will change. Here we got plus 10. So when I moved it to the right hand side, we got minus 10. Now, in this line, the equation that we got is 4x is equal to 66 minus 10. Or I can write 4x is equal to 56. 66 minus 10 is nothing but 56. So what we got? We got 4x is equal to 56. Now we need to eliminate this 4. In order to find the value of x, we need to eliminate this 4. So how we can eliminate this 4? Let's look here. Or I can write 4x upon 4 is equal to 56 upon 4. So what I did here, dividing both the sides by 4. And why I divided by 4? In order to eliminate this 4, I need to divide this side with 4. If I am dividing something to a particular side, I need to do the same thing to the other side, so that the equation will get balanced. I cannot do one type of thing to only one side. I should also do the same thing to the other side. For that reason, I am writing here dividing both the sides by 4. So what we got? We got 4x upon 4 is equal to 56 upon 4. Or I can write, what I can write? This 4 and this 4, it cancels out. We got x is equal to, now 56 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. We got x is equal to 14. What we got? We got x is equal to 14. Now guys, if you remember, we considered Sahil's present age as 14. If you look here, we considered Sahil's present age as 14. Now, let us look here to the above. What we did, Sahil's present age, what we considered? We considered Sahil's present age as x here. That means we got Sahil's present age as 14 years because we got the value of x as 14. So what we got? Sahil's present age is 14. Now what is going to be the mother's age? Mother's age is 3x. That means 3 into 14. That is equal to 3 into 14. That is equal to 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 42 years. So we got mother's age is 42 years. Sahil's age is 14 years and mother's age is 42 years. Now the question has asked us to find their present ages. So their present ages are 14 years and 42 years. Let us conclude our answer saying that. Because we need to write our concluding notes. We need to write our concluding footnotes. We can say, hence we got, or we can write, thus we got to know that, thus we got Sahil's present age is 14 years and mother's present age is 42 years. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to frame the equation. But guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.